So what is the experience of living as a foreign student in Japan like? Well, to help answer that question, today we are going to explore my apartment in Tokyo. This one right here is my kitchen. It has a stove, a sink, and also enough space for you to do kitchen stuff. And then you have cupboards. This one here is my washer and dryer. Your bed is supposed to be a comfortable place that you can come to rest after a long hectic day. And that's why I love my bed. I think I have one of the most comfortable beds in the world. One good thing about this apartment is it comes with a bed, a mattress, a table, chairs. Japanese landlords normally don't provide these facilities when you move into a new apartment. That's why I think I'm so lucky to have this apartment. And this apartment also comes with a very spacious desk. As you can see, the space is big enough to accommodate my computers, my microphone. Yeah, so basically this is where I normally do my assignments. And sometimes this is where I also edit my videos. And have a look at this. 2 large wardrobes that can house even an entire clothing shop. Anyway, that's total exaggeration. Let's check out the shower room. I have a sink, and look at these. It also comes with a washlet toilet. If you don't know what a washlet is, it is a Japanese made toilet that can help you clean up after you're done with the business. And then a shower. This apartment also comes with a very spacious balcony. And on a fine day like today, you can also see the Tokyo Bay and everything that is happening around. The monthly rental of this apartment is 52,000 yen. That's about $370. A lot of people say that is very cheap for Tokyo. But as a person who comes from a tiny Pacific Island country, this is still very expensive for me. But do you think this apartment is still affordable? And can you live in it? Well, why don't you tell me in the comment section below? I'd love to hear from you. If you've enjoyed the video, please check out this next one here. This is Harold. I will see you in the next one.